Hello everyone and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we are going to delve into the principles of good corporate governance of IT as defined by ISO 38500. This international standard provides guidance for governing IT within organizations, ensuring that IT supports business objectives while managing associated risks effectively. Before we dive into the principles, let's briefly recap ISO 38500. It's a framework designed to assist governing bodies in understanding and fulfilling their responsibilities regarding IT within their organizations. IT emphasizes the importance of aligning IT with business strategies, optimizing IT investments, and managing IT-related risks. Now, let's explore the key principles outlined in ISO 38500. Principle 1. Responsibility. This principle highlights the importance of assigning clear roles and responsibilities for IT within the organization's governance structure. It emphasizes that a governing body, typically the board of directors, is ultimately responsible for IT governance, including decision-making, accountability, and performance monitoring. Principle 2. Strategy. Effective IT governance requires aligning IT strategies with the organization's objectives and ensuring that IT investments contribute to achieving these objectives. This principle emphasizes the need for a clear understanding of the organization's business goals and how IT can support them. Principle 3. Acquisition. This principle focuses on ensuring that IT acquisitions, whether through development, purchase, or outsourcing, are conducted in a manner that maximizes value and minimizes risks. It stresses the importance of evaluating options, managing contracts, and maintaining accountability throughout the acquisition process. Principle 4. Performance. Monitoring and evaluating IT performance are essential for effective governance. This principle emphasizes the need for establishing performance metrics, measuring outcomes, and continually improving IT processes to enhance overall performance and value delivery. Principle 5. Conformance. Compliance with legal, regulatory, and contractual obligations is critical for IT governance. This principle highlights the importance of establishing policies, procedures, and controls to ensure conformance with relevant requirements, mitigate risks, and uphold organizational integrity. Principle 6. Human behavior. People are central to IT governance and their behavior can significantly impact its effectiveness. This principle emphasizes the importance of fostering a culture that promotes ethical behavior, professionalism, and accountability among all stakeholders involved in IT governance. In conclusion, ISO 38500 provides a comprehensive framework for governing IT within organizations by adhering to its principles of responsibility, strategy, acquisition, performance, conformance, and human behavior. Organizations can enhance their IT governance practices, align IT with business objectives, and ultimately achieve greater value from their IT investments. Thank you for your attention. Now, let's open the floor for any questions or discussions. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleague. Thank you.